Forgot your Windows login password and can't get into your computer? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a method that allows you to reset your forgotten Windows password without using any third-party software and without losing any of your data. Just follow carefully and make sure to like and share your feedback if it works for you. First, on the login screen, press and hold the Shift key, then click on Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until your computer boots into the recovery environment. This will take you to the advanced startup options. Once you see the blue recovery screen, click on Troubleshoot. Then go to Advanced Options and select Command Prompt. Your system may restart again and ask you to choose an account before opening the command window. Now, we are going to make a small system change that will allow us to reset the password from the login screen. In the command prompt window, the first step is to create a backup of a system file called utilman. This file controls the accessibility features on the login screen. We will rename it as a backup so we can restore it later after resetting password. To do that, enter the command showing on screen. I think we made a mistake. We missed the letter L here. Let me fix that. I will copy and paste command and add letter L there. Press enter after writing command. Now, our first command is executed successfully. Next, we replace the utilman.exe file with cmd.exe. This allows the command prompt to open directly from the login screen when we click the accessibility icon. Enter the command showing on screen, then press enter. It's saying cannot find specific path. It means we made any mistake again. Sorry guys, I did not add letter windows here. Let me fix that quickly. I will copy the path, paste it, and add letter windows. And press enter. Now it's showing one file copied. That means mission successful. Close the command prompt window and continue to start Windows normally. Now, when you return to the login screen, click on the accessibility icon at the bottom corner. Instead of accessibility settings, the command prompt window will open. From here, we can reset the password. First, type this command to display all user accounts on the computer. This will show you the list of accounts available on your system. Identify the account for which you want to reset the password. You can also conform your username by matching the username showing on lock screen and the name showing in command window. In your case, the name may be different, so choose carefully. Once you know the correct account name, type this command to reset its password. Make sure to use your username instead of Wadi, as Wadi is my username. Now enter a new password that you want to use. It will not appear, so just enter any password from keyboard that you want to use and press enter. Now, again, repeat the password to confirm and press enter. If the command completed successfully appears, that means your password is changed successfully. Now close the command window. Then go to login screen and unlock with the password you changed. You should now be able to access your Windows account normally. And that's it! You have successfully reset your forgotten Windows password without any data loss. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more helpful Windows tips.